In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member from a Wrike project. Whether you're an account manager tidying up your team's workspace or someone new to using Wrike, these steps will guide you through the process efficiently. We'll begin by navigating to the Wrike workspace. Once you're logged into Wrike, you'll want to focus on the left-hand side of your screen where the project folders are conveniently located. Find the folder labeled Campaign Management and give that a click. This folder holds all the projects under the management category, so it's crucial to be familiar with this space if you're frequently handling multiple campaigns. After you've clicked on Campaign Management, you should see a list of all the projects under this folder. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the specific project from which you wish to remove the team member. As you do so, the project details will open, displaying all the current tasks, timelines, and team members involved. Next, we need to highlight the team members involved within this project. This can usually be done by finding the section that lists all team and collaborators. In Wrike, this section is typically found near the top or side of the project details page. Carefully look for the team member you plan to remove. Once located, highlight their name to make sure you are removing the correct person. This verification step ensures you're focusing on the right individual, especially in a busy or extensive project list. Now it's time to tackle the removal. Look for an option or a setting that allows you to manage team members. This is sometimes found under a drop-down menu or a settings icon that looks like a cog or a three-dot menu. Click on this menu to open the options available. Here you should find an option that addresses whether a project is public or closed. While this option pertains to the visibility of the project, it's also where you can adjust team settings. Click on public, but don't worry, we're not changing the project's privacy settings here. Finally, from these settings, find the command or button that allows you to remove or delete the team member. It's often labeled like remove or delete next to the team member's name. Click this option and a confirmation message may pop up to ensure you indeed want to remove the member from the project. Confirm this action and the team member will be successfully removed from the project. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a team member from a Wrike project. With these steps, managing your team and project tasks should become a seamless experience. Remember, staying organized helps keep your project running smoothly and ultimately leads to successful outcomes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing!